Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a Hollywood makeup mirror. But I know I've shown you guys two of them already. One was like a medium size, one was a extra large size, and now this one is going to be a smaller size. But it's not just any type of vanity mirror that I've shown you guys. Like, it comes with extra stuff too. As you can see, it's by the brand 𝐋𝐄𝐓𝐒. I hope I'm saying it right, with the small cat in front of the vanity. I thought that was really cute. You can get this mirror off of Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. But yeah, so we're just gonna get started with this video because I'm really excited to open this up. It has so many benefits to it. I still love my big mirror, I'm still gonna use it, but this one will just be more convenient for me since it's smaller and I can just look at it up closely. And it's super affordable, especially if you're on a budget or if you're looking for a birthday gift, Mother's Day gift. Mother's Day is coming up, and just a gift in general for anyone. With that being said, let's get started with this review and unboxing with this Hollywood vanity makeup mirror. But I am going to be using my little cloud box cutter that I got from Amazon. It's really cute yet dangerous. Always love using this. And yeah, I'm just gonna back up a little bit. Yeah, let me back up because I know I'm like extra close. Whew, okay. Okay, so once you open it, it's gonna look like this inside. It is upside down. It is packaged really well, which I really like because sometimes mirrors can come broken, then you have to return it, then get a new one, and it's just a hassle sometimes. So yeah, they really take care of the customers and make sure that the mirror does not come broken. Once you open it, it looks like this. It does come with the magnifying mirror, and it looks purple or lilac a little bit. But I honestly don't care because it feels like it's good quality. It doesn't feel too cheap or anything. So yeah, that's the little magnifying mirror. The cord is pretty long. Yeah, this is gonna be good. And this is how the adapter looks. This mirror has a Bluetooth speaker attached to it, and you can see from the back too, has the speaker. This is how the mirror is looking when it's plugged in, and it does have a USB-C port instead of like a regular Android looking port, you know what I mean, or just a regular USB port, I don't know. This is how the back of it looks, and I'm assuming this is only for the Bluetooth part, which is right here. We're just gonna turn it on, and this is the button right here, this one right here. Oh, you guys see how pretty that turns on? It's like a type of turn on, you know what I mean? It's not like a dun and it's on. So yeah, let's see how this one is. Okay, this is the cool. This is the wait. Okay, that's the turn off. Okay, so this is the turn on, this is the in between, this is the yellow, and this is the cool. Then you turn it off. And this is how you turn it on. The in-between setting, the warm setting, and the cool setting. And if you want to make it bright, it looks like that. When you want to make it low, it looks like that. I just turned my bigger vanity mirror off to show you guys how bright this is. So if you want to have it brighter, just hold it and it goes up this bright. If you want to have it dimmer, just hold it and it'll go dimmer the second time. If you want to have it in the middle, do that. If you want to change the color, you can have it like that, or this cool color, have it really low or really bright. Then you could turn it off like that. Now we're going to test out the wireless charging. This is for iPhones and Androids. If you have a Samsung or a regular Android phone, your phone should be able to charge. But I know for a fact with latest iPhones, you can wireless charge them. I'm just going to see how it charges. So we just put it through here. Oh my gosh, it's charging. Oh, this is so cool. This is how it looks while it's charging. I am going to wait about 5 minutes just to see how far it charged. So let's see how it is right now. Actually, let me check really quick. My phone is at 40%, so we're gonna see how far it charges. So I'm gonna wait until 7:51 to see how it goes. It is 7:52 now, and we're gonna see how much this charged. 43%. Honestly, that's not really bad. It could have stayed at 40. So the charging is pretty decent on this. But now we're gonna test the Bluetooth part, which is my favorite because I never had a Bluetooth mirror before. Definitely never had a wireless charger mirror. I was looking forward to the Bluetooth part anyway. But a few things I want to say about this mirror is that it comes in white, black. It comes in a bigger size, which I believe is the medium size, which has 12 bulbs. So you get the wireless charging and the Bluetooth with the Fenchillin branded mirror. I'm gonna stick this on here just to see how it works. Okay, please do not fall. Seems like it's sticking on pretty well. Hello. On the back of this is where you turn it off and on with the mirror, like literally. So it'll turn off like that, then it'll turn on like that. So this is the part where you want to turn on the Bluetooth. I should have read the directions. Maybe I'll hold it.
Power it on.
Oh shoot, oh my gosh. It's scared. Yeah, this just scared me. Okay, she talks. I like that. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It says music mirror right here. Okay, so I'm gonna play my latest video, which is my full face of 𝐔𝐿 makeup tutorial with this Bluetooth mirror. But if you guys haven't seen this video already, make sure you guys check this out. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna turn it on. And keep in mind, it's only at this level. Wow, okay. And let's say if I just want to watch the video, I could just have this charge and watch my video. My phone is still charging while this is still a Bluetooth speaker. This is insane. Like, this is like new technology for sure. Like a huge upgrade to vanity mirrors. Like, I wonder back in the 1940s how would they feel about this, because that's when they started getting real popular back then, huh? Like in the 1920s or something, like the first OG vanity mirrors, like with the huge bulbs that'll be like super bright to where like it'll get really hot. And now we're here in the 2020s era or whatever, and these bulbs do not get hot whatsoever. I do not get hot while I do my makeup now or do anything in this mirror. Like the first mirror or vanity mirror, well, it was a vanity mirror, but it was like pretty old, and the bulbs would get so hot to the point I'll get a headache every time I'll do my makeup. Every time. And it was like so bad, and I dealt with it for like a year or two, but not no more, because I got this one and I have this one. I am completely obsessed right now. Tell me why I'm on Instagram and I just realized that you can do this with the mirror, well, with your phone. It doesn't charge like this, but I just had an idea that this mirror would be perfect. You could take some cute pictures with this mirror while it's holding up your phone. I really love how I can just scoot this close to my face, and on the bottom of it, it has this black part, so it's not going to scratch your desk or anything like that. You can just easily scoot up or scoot back because it has that really soft part underneath it. This is the mirror. It can move like this. Let's see how far it can go. Ooh, okay, it can turn all the way. Oh yeah, it can do all of that, but let me not. I'll just have it the way it is. This part right here to hold your phone, it is screwed in, so you don't have to worry about it breaking off. I honestly wouldn't have this on here because I feel like it'll just be too much, but this is perfect just to throw in your bag, traveling, on the go, in your car, or whatever, or just use this only to tweeze your eyebrows and just put it back in your desk or vanity. The mirror came with a cleaning cloth, so I think I'm gonna just let you guys go and just have this vanity mirror linked down below for you guys, including this review for that vanity mirror and the other one, the medium-sized one that I did before. But this one is the latest besides this one now, but this one is the latest, and this mirror is only $50. $50 for all of this. And I just want to thank Shein for sending me this beautiful mirror. I really hope you guys enjoy this review. Let me know in the comments if this review helped you guys, or if you have any questions or concerns about this mirror. But yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. I'll see you guys in my next video.